How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 70 Camaro SS. Gorgeous car. Previous owners owned this car 30 years. He built this car pretty much the way he wanted it to be. He did a lot of really nice upgrades on it. It's done in a show quality torch red. He put the two short bumpers on it. We do have the original one-piece bumper. We have all the original parts off this car that he took off. Super slick, flat, straight down the sides. Very, very nice car, guys. Got the black vinyl top. This is a 70. Actually, everybody calls them a 70 and a half. It's got the short spoiler. All the bumpers have been re-chromed on the car. It's a clean, rust-free, all original panel car. Came out of California originally. It was a factory air car. He removed all the factory air and was gonna put vintage air in it, just never got to it. It's got a strong running 30 over 350 with Edelbrock heads, Edelbrock cam with the Edelbrock gear drive set up. Got the power disc brakes, power steering, aluminum radiator and everything. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got a lockup converter. Super clean, all the jams real nice. The interior is very nice. It's got a full autometer dash, full gauges. Headliner's really nice and tight. It's got the deluxe interior with the comfort weave seats. It's got the correct seats for the 70, the staple shifter and console. He reworked the shifter to work properly with the 700R. It's got 12 bolt posi in the rear with 3/7 gears. Very, very nice car. Got a whole folder of all the paperwork on the car, everything he's done. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. Very, very nice car. Paintwork on this car is super nice. Show quality. We do have the original dash cluster. Got a nice AM/FM cassette stereo in it. Dash pad's real nice. Yeah, it's a 30 over 350. Got the gear drive in it. Got all high-def LED headlights. The gear drive kind of sounds like it's got a little blower on it. Got a full 2.5-inch dual exhaust out the back. All the LED taillights are really nice in it. It's a very, very strong running motor in it. Real zippy. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. It's just a tough looking car. Got a fair amount of traffic today. You had to just kind of bear with us. Again, you can look at our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. We have new cars coming every day.